Welcome back, students, to our video game series, Building Pac-Man using Scratch. And in this video, we're finally going to start the level up process and building the level. So that consists of two things. One is a series of dots that the Pac-Man has to eat, and a splash screen that says, hey, congratulations, you've eaten all the dots. You can level up and go to the next level. We're actually going to do those backwards. So in this video, we're going to build the splash screen first, and then we'll build all of the dots later. So I'm going to go to this splash screen that we just created, and I'm just going to duplicate it because it's got a lot of good code in there. First thing I'm going to do is change the color because the orange has got to go. So I'm going to choose the black arrow tool, click on the color square, and I'm going to choose a nice soft baby blue color. And instead of Pac-Man has died, I'm just going to delete that and say level up. You can make this however you want. And then I'm going to go to the black arrow tool and move that over, kind of center it. Close enough. And then if I go back to the code, now you can see I can tell really quickly. Visible, remember, was for a different sprite. So I'm going to throw visible away, all of them. And I'm going to go to my variables, and I'm going to make a variable for this sprite only called visible level up, just so that I can keep track of them. And there it is. So there's visible level up. I don't need to see it here, so I'm going to hide it. And then I'm going to set visible level up, and I'm going to set visible level up a number of times, so I can put that there. I'm actually going to do it 4 times. So I'm going to duplicate that, and then duplicate it, and then duplicate it. Okay. And so at the beginning of the game, I'm going to hide it. So you remember hide equals 0. So I'm going to set visible level up to 0. Then next, I'm going to show it. So I'm going to set visible level to 1. If it's visible and the key is pressed, I'm going to hide it again. So set visible level up to 0. And again, if the sprite is clicked because we're leveling up, visible level 1 equals 0. And then I just need that little circular one, so visible level up goes right in there. So there it is. It's all ready to go. So the code for this level is good. And now we're ready to create the dot. I'm actually going to keep this video short, and I'm going to save the dot and the dot controller for the next video. So thank you for joining. We'll see you in the next video.